Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying something a little new. So I'm going to be like testing out this like toy. So like it's a slime kit kind of. So yeah, we're just gonna test out. This is really cute. There's something inside. Okay, so I don't think that's how you're really supposed to open it, but like there's this like thing right here that I'm guessing there. Okay, so like we found like a packet. So I'm guessing you just go around. I've seen something like this before, but I haven't seen this particularly before. This is really cute. So like, so this is a spoon. This is what? These are the slime thingies. This is a lip gloss right here. And this is the scented pearls. Okay, so we're just gonna like, So, now I'm pretty sure we're supposed to open this, and this is, I don't know. Hey. That's my little brother. So this is supposed to be like a keychain for your backpack. That's pretty cute. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a lipstick. So I'm gonna open it first because that's kind of like what you collect. Wait, let's see. Like, okay. So here are like the lipsticks you can get. Here they are. I don't know which one I want. I like all of them. They're all really cute. So there are ultra rare, regular, and rare. So, this is an ultra rare. There's like 3 ultra rares. Okay, there's a lot of rares. Okay, so I want to see which one we got. How do you open these things? Scissors. So after the mini attempts, okay. So I think I got the bunny. I got the what did I get? Oh, I got the get out the wing it, get out and wing it. That's so cute. Okay, so like I want to see what's inside because it says there's like cool shapes for like the lipstick. Like, this isn't that cool. Oh, there's like a little owl. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, okay, so like, I don't know what this is. Okay, so I'm guessing you're supposed to add it to your slime, so that's what it says, so. Let's open this. This is a cup, I'm guessing, for like the slime. Okay, so I got this one. So cute. Okay, so that's a regular. Yeah, it's a regular. Oh, okay, so I got a cute little blue sparkly cup. That's adorable. There's like drips on the edge. Okay. So these are adorable. Like, this is adorable. I got this at Target, just if you were wondering. Okay, now this is the lip gloss squeezing thing. I don't know. Okay, let's get it out. Okay, we got a cute little yellow one. That's adorable. It's like sparkly. Okay, so I'm guessing this is like the lip gloss. Okay. So these are the directions. So you're supposed to use lip gloss. Okay. So these are all like atoms. Oh wait, this is the spoon. Okay. Oh no, this is, what is this? It's like a container. This is a spoon. So what was that? I don't know, but here's a spoon. So cute. So we got like a cute heart spoon. with glitters. So I know I'm not supposed to open these because they're like atoms or something. So, is this just like the slime? I don't understand. So basically, I made the spoon. This wasn't the spoon. This actually was. So, it's telling me to like pour this into this. Okay, so we have to. Typical Helena. Okay, and it's also telling me. My bad. Okay. I've learned. Oops. No, I haven't. I'm so stupid. I literally cut it. Let's use this spoon. This is probably like for getting plastic out. This is me. Okay. Why is this not clean? Come on, little plastic piece. Why? What? Got it. Okay, so now it's like telling me to fill the cup with 15 milliliters full 2 times. So bathroom. Okay, so basically you just fill it to the line. It's pretty cool. Okay, so it says to do that, and then it says to like attach this part to this part, but like it was already attached. Okay, then it says to do this, to put it all the way up. And then to put it, what? I don't understand. Oh, cut this off. Once the slime has hardened up, yeah, so we just got the slime out of the container. It's really stretchy and it's a pretty nice slime. So now the instructions are telling me to take this lid off. Put, don't let it touch the water. Take my lipstick, break it off, and, well, put it in. If I'm correct. Where's this? Okay. I take the slime and I just add it in, I guess. So it's basically like an adding makeup into slime kit. It's pretty cool. I like the idea of this because like you're adding makeup into slime and stuff, and that's always really fun because like it's really satisfying crushing like the lipstick because it crushes really easily. So like, and the colors changing, it's like really pretty. So I kind of really like this kit. But it was kind of hard because I have kind of big hands, so it was hard getting it out of this small container. So next time, if you do this, learn from my mistakes and use an actual bowl so you don't have to go through all that. So, it's kind of turning pink and stuff, and it's really pretty and pokeable and stretchy. Like, it's really stretchy. So, it says to mix it thoroughly with the lipstick. And then to put, okay, so then there's scents. This is so pretty. Look at this color. So this is supposed to be scents. So I'm gonna pour this out, and we're supposed to add like this in to the slime because, you know, it's a scent. Oh, there is balls inside. That's so cool. Okay, so you're adding the balls in. Ooh, there's like juice. What the heck? Okay, so like you cut the lid off and stuff, and then you take 2 of the balls with a spoon, and it says 2, right? Guys, I'm not being inappropriate, I promise. 1, 2. See, it says to put 2 in. Peel the glitter. Scoop a few beads out of the spoon. Pour into the measuring cup. Crush the beads with the spoon. Discard the container liquid after using all the beads. So it says to crush the beads, like squish them. So well, that's what I'm doing. These beads are so cute. So they're like crushing them. This is to make the scent. Oh, it's working. Okay. And then it says to add the crushed beads. They're called beads. Not balls. Okay, so it says, I'm going to use all of them because it says discard it, the container once you use all of them. What do they smell like? Okay, that's a really nice end. Okay, my bathroom is a mess. I want to squish one. I'm going to squish one, okay? Just for this content and for my own good. Okay, this is not coming out. It's like being mean to me. Oh my gosh, I squished it and it made the juice. That's so cool. Okay, so the beads. Okay, it was like so easy to squish. So now we're going to add it into the slime to make it like really cute. Okay, so here you go is the slime. You kind of have to knead it and keep kneading it. Okay, now I'm gonna add the scents in to the slime. Yeah, that's called the scent, right? Wait, it just got. This is a really good kit. Okay. It's getting all over me. Why? Not a lot of paper towels after me. You just gotta keep kneading it. It's like, bleh. Okay. Why? Just knead. It's kneading, finally. This kind of like adds sparkles to it. Whoa, there, I guess I didn't squish it. Oh, no. It's okay. We'll clean this up with like toilet paper or something after. It smells so good. Okay. It also kind of helps the slime. Well, not really, but like I had a piece in it. Okay. Made it stretchier. This is the most beautiful thing ever. Like, look at how pink. Okay, and then it says to add some of the. This is cute. Some of this into it, the color. But the thing is, I can't open it. Okay, I'm opening. So, like, I'm just doing whatever the kit says. Do you put this on your lips? You do. Okay, wait. So guys, yeah, that was a really cute kit. It was like a lipstick kit, and it's really cute. I think if you guys like slime and stuff, you should definitely get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below your username because I'm doing a giveaway because we hit 20 followers. So yeah, also follow my TikTok. It is Hippocorn.